In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Chrome from running background apps. If you've ever closed Chrome and noticed your computer still feels busy, or your battery keeps draining, background apps are often the reason. Chrome can keep certain extensions and services running after you close the browser, so they can receive notifications or finish tasks. That's useful sometimes, but if you want maximum performance or battery life, turning this off is a great idea. Here's how to do it quickly and confidently. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This is the menu button, sometimes labeled More. This menu is where Chrome keeps most of its controls and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's options. Don't worry, everything we need is in one place, and you can change it back later if you want. On the Settings page, find and click System in the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might need to expand Advanced first to see the System section. Once you're on the System page, you're in the right spot to control what happens when Chrome is closed. Now look for the switch that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Toggle this setting off. When it's off, Chrome won't keep extensions or apps active after you close all browser windows. This means your CPU and memory usage should drop more predictably, and laptops often see better battery life. A quick note about what this changes. With the setting off, things like background notifications from extensions won't come through after you close Chrome. If you rely on an extension to stay active in the background, you can always come back here and turn the switch back on. The change applies right away, and you'll notice the difference the next time you close Chrome. For best results, fully quit Chrome after switching this off. On Windows, closing all Chrome windows will usually do it. On macOS, make sure to quit the app completely rather than just closing the last tab. If you still see Chrome running, it might be an extension that was already active. Once you reopen and close Chrome again, the new setting should prevent it from staying open. That's all you need. Click the three dots, open Settings, go to System, and turn off Continue running background apps. It's a small change that can make your computer feel faster and your battery last longer.